MegaZeux is a free tool that lets you create your own games. It has a retro look, kind of like old school games made of blocky pixel art, but don't be fooled, it's a powerful tool that lets you make and play games all by yourself. It was originally made in 1994, and since then, many people have used it to create RPGs, adventure games, action games, and more. You use your computer keyboard to move characters and read stories in the game. One of the coolest parts of MegaZeux is something called robots. These are like little bits of magic that make characters talk, move, and do things in your game. It uses a bit of programming, but it's made to be easy even for beginners. If you've ever dreamed of making your very own game, MegaZeux might be just the thing to help you do it. You can create puzzles, mazes, ghosts, monsters, whatever you imagine. Use your creativity and build a one-of-a-kind world of your own.